Fresh filters, obsessively engineered to provide you with clean water. Use this installation video along with your replacement manual to change your A.O. Smith Clarium filter. Replacing your filter is easy. Read your replacement manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. After turning off the water supply to your refrigerator or freezer, release pressure from the system by activating the water dispenser in your refrigerator. Remove the sump from the filtration system. Place the cartridge over a sink, twist the cap off the sump, and pull the filter out of the sump. You can pour the excess water down the drain. Then, let's connect the new filter to the top half of the sump. Attach the bottom part of the sump to its lid. Reattach the sump to the manifold. Then, slowly turn your water supply back on and check for leaks. As a final step, allow the filtered water to run through 2 gallons before drinking. Just like that, you're done. Time to enjoy clean, filtered water.